Good morning friends, my name is Vamsi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel we are going to discuss about SBI Clerk Mains Cutout 2020 vacancies increase and as well as the result date update. Many of the candidates are asking me about it, so I am here to tell you in detail about all of them. So the first thing is that friends, the cutoff may be very less. Yes. So you already know that the cutoff will be less, and also there are two reasons for it. Actually, one is the COVID-19 impact and the result came lately, and the other thing is that vacancies have been increased. So friends, now we are going to discuss about the reasons why the cutoff may be decreased. The first thing is friends, delay in mains result. Yes. So many of the candidates have been waiting for the result for almost 7 months, and after 8 months it came. So this may even disturb the preparation strategy of some of the students. So this may even disturb many of the students due to the COVID-19 impact. And the other is only 10 days time left for preparation. So when you see the before exams friends, SBI Clerk Mains or IBS Clerk Mains last year, there was a particular date for the preparation of the exams. For now, there is no particular date for the preparation of the exams. So this may be a little disadvantage for those who have suddenly started their preparation for the exam as soon as the result came. And the other is some candidates may already got selected for IBS clerk. Yes. So in prelims, a lot of candidates may be selected, but in those candidates, there are some candidates who have been selected for IPS clerk for sure. So these won't compete in SBI clerk mains. So this may be a reason for the reducing cutoff also or reducing competition. And the third and the fourth one is that COVID-19 transportation impact. Yes. So you already know due to the coronavirus, the inter-transportation, that is from station to station or from state to state, the transportation has become difficult. So here, due to COVID-19, there may be a transportation difficulty due to which some of the candidates may not have attended the exam. So all these coming together may result in decrease in cutoff. So friends, now we are going to discuss about the vacancies increase friends. Yes, vacancies have been increased. Yes friends, we can clearly say that not only by official information but also by seeing the cutoff. Why? Because if you see the expected prelims cutoff this year, it was about 71 to 75, but actual prelims cutoff that we got is in between 61 to 75. Comparing all the states, that means high mark states and medium mark getting states and also low mark getting states, all these compared together has got cutoff like this. And most of the states has got a cutoff in between 65 to 70. Actually, in my state, it was Telangana. I thought that the cutoff may be around 73 to 74, but the cutoff is 66. This reason, that means less than 6 marks of my what I have think about. So by this we can say that the mains cutoff may also be reduced when compared to the last year. It may be 5 or 10 less. Yes, this indicates that the cutoff may fall to 5 to 10 marks compared to the last year. And also in the high zone areas, the cutoff may be in between 100 to 105. Yeah, last year it is in between 110 to 115. 110 is the maximum, I think. But now in high zone areas, that means in which the mains exam marks are very high, in those states it may be between 100 to 105. It may even decrease, friends. We don't know, but this time the conditions are completely changed, and nobody knows what is going to happen in this entire year. Due to the coronavirus, everything has changed. There are a lot of surprises. So even this SPI cutoff result may also surprise us. It may be less than PO also. We don't know. So this is the medium zone cutoff, guys. This is in between 80 to 85. There is a chance that it may be even less than 80 also. It may be in between 75 to 80 also. Why? Because there is a second shift which is very very difficult, and in that GK is very difficult actually. So I don't know whether there will be normalization or not if the GK topic is very difficult. So it may even fall to 70 also. We don't know, because due to the coronavirus impact, due to the preparation time is very less, etc, etc. There are a lot of factors, and also this year is a surprising year. And the low zone, guys, this may be in between 75 to 80. See friends, I am telling when at the maximum case, highly high I am telling, I am not telling low, but in case of high probability, I am telling it may be between 75 to 80, but it may be even 70, it may be even 67 or 68 or 69, it may be even less friends. That is the situation. Why? Because this is a coronavirus situation and the exam was conducted in a dramatic way. Means it was conducted in such a way that nobody knows that it will be conducted on 31st October. So the low zone cutoff may be 75 to 80 friends. So this is about the video friends, and the last one is expected result date. So friends, the expected result date, yeah. So many of them are waiting for the result very eagerly, and there are many misunderstandings and misconceptions that the result may be released in this day or that day. But you know one thing, SBI is full of surprises. Nobody can predict when the result is going to come. But he has to start his next recruitment as quick as possible. So for that purpose, he has to recruit by January or February starting. So if he has to recruit by January or February starting, what is to be done is the result should be released at least 1 month before, that is in December first week or in November. But here if you see, the SBI PO notification has been released recently, and apprentices notification is also released. So the SBI is releasing those notifications one by one. That means there may be a possibility of the result being getting released in this month only. So let us hope the result may be available for us by November 30th, and all the best for all of you guys. Thank you.